Hello, this is Sandra from Sawmill. Now let me introduce our log cutting multi-blade wrap saw. For this machine, it's used for cutting the logs into many small piece planks. For this machine, it used a V-shaped conveyor to avoid the logs fell down. And this is our electric control panel. This is a rebound device. It can prevent the logs return for good safety protection. And this is our press roller for press the logs feeding and safety cannot fall down. And this is our mallet. For the tip, it uses a carbide. It's suitable for cutting the hardwood and the surface after cutting is smooth. For this machine, it has two shafts. We also use the shaft center springs water for cooling the blade. And we also use gaskets for adjust the distance of the planks. And this is output part. And at the bottom, we also have the emergency stop button. For this machine, it have three motors. Two motors is driving the main shaft running, and the one motor is for control the press roller and the feeding. For our press roller, it's can electric up and down, and the can adjust the height automatically.